Hello, dear friends. My wife and I have to go out because we have to pick up the water drip kit that I bought online, and I'll try that out in my plants that I planted right directly on the pots because during summer there will be no rain most of the days, and so to conserve water, I'll use that water drip kit that you just put the one beside your plant, and I think I can show you the one once we have it after we pay the delivery guy, and I'll try that out. If it's good, then I'll order more, and you will see that one in our garden as well. So now let's go. We're heading to the temple. We're going to pick up our order of water drip kit.
Yeah, the delivery guy is my Luliak. He said he's
I think
in
this one is
the.
also quite pick up.
Look, where's your money?
Just making sure that I got what I ordered, dear YouTube friends. Besides that, we do this filming for the vlog. As this is our first try, and this will be our first exciting experience to try this method of watering your plants. So see that one, dear friends? This will be the control of the water because there is this like stick in the middle, and that will block the flow of the water, and if you close it tight then there will be no water coming out here, and we'll have some tutorial this one when we get home. Let's go. Okay, dear friends, we got our water drip kit right now that we ordered online, and these are the three parts, and this pointed stick like thing, you're going to put this one on the soil beside your plant, and this tiny stuff you have to insert the one here. There's no instruction, but it's all about common sense here. And then this cup in here will control the flow of the water because there is a stick in the middle that will hold on the flow of the water once you insert that one. And here, this is the passage where the water is going to drop, and this is the control here. And all you need besides this, it's a used PET bottle with water. And what you're going to do next, you put the one here, close it tight, and we'll see if the water begin to drop. So like that. See that one? Or we'll adjust the flow. Okay, dear friends. Now, what is my reason why I buy this water drip kit? Because if you're not at home and maybe 2 days you're away, then you can just leave your plants without dying by placing this empty bottle of water with this water drip kit connected to a water drip kit, and you just have to control the drop that this 700 ml or 500 ml of water in this bottle can last like 4 to 8 hours, and your plant is thriving. Even your house plants inside the house, you can use this one. I'm not endorsing this, dear friends. I'm just trying to have this experience on my plants as well. So, thank you for watching, and you will see us on our next vlog, the time that we will be placing these water drip kit connected to this empty bottle with water into our plants and vegetables outside the house in our front yard and backyard gardening. And again, thank you, and I want to see you all in the next episode.